If your Ram 2500's Apple CarPlay is freezing or won't connect, you don't need a mechanic to get back on the road. The most common culprit isn't your truck's head unit, but actually the USB cable you're using to connect your phone. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify why your Uconnect system is acting up. Performing a soft reset of the Uconnect system solves over half of all connection and freezing issues instantly. Physical hardware issues like pocket lint in your phone's port or a failing cable often mimic software bugs. If you have wireless CarPlay, deleting the pairing on both the truck and the phone is the best way to clear a glitch. A soft reset is usually enough, but a full factory reset should be reserved for persistent system-wide lag. Statistically, nearly half of all CarPlay complaints are resolved just by swapping out the USB cable for a new one. Don't overlook the simple stuff. A little bit of dust in the port can prevent a solid data connection. You don't need fancy tools, just an Apple-certified cable and a few minutes of your time to fix this. If these steps fail, your dealer may need to flash a firmware update to your Uconnect module. Try that soft reset first and let me know in the comments which fix worked for your truck.